Hi, this is Mary Jean Murphy, and I'm coming to you from my favorite quilt store. And today is installment 2, already installment 2 of Brimming Over by Kim Diehl. It uses the Quiet Grace uh, fabric line, and let's get into this installment. This was a fun one. It's a bit of a puzzle. I hope all your fabrics are marked, and don't forget to use my cheat sheet of cutting instructions. I'm going to recommend 2 things that you're going to need to complete your installment, which is right here. This is what we're doing this month. And the 2 things are a glue stick, which seems strange, but stay with me. And the other thing is a sandpaper board. All of these flying geese units that are right here are made with a rectangle and 2 squares. When you do your flying geese units, go ahead and mark them on your sandpaper board so they're really accurate. And when you put the small square on the rectangle, go ahead and put a little dab of glue stick in the seam allowance. It makes it stick and it makes it a lot more accurate. I put that in the body of my email that you're going to get with this installment, so go ahead and take a look at it and maybe Google it. We have great things on our website, great tips, and try our YouTube channel. It's my favorite quilt store on YouTube. I'm going to tell you another tip is please watch your placements. These quarter square triangles right here, they do need to be cut in 4s and then placed so that you see the pattern is correct, and then sew them together. Don't try to shortcut it. I did that the first time and I made a boo-boo. Also, I want you all to remember that the neutrals do not need to be exactly the same as they are in the pattern. Just mix those neutrals up. On my cheat sheet and my cutting instructions, I went ahead and just gave you the instructions so that all of your neutrals are just mixed up. And just watch that you don't use a lot of the same, like in this block here, I made sure I picked an equal amount of neutrals from each of the pattern. There's only 3 patterns. Sometimes you need 4 neutrals. So I just did 2 of one and 1 of each of the other, which equals 4. The applique, always do the applique in the technique that you are the most familiar with, or go ahead and try an experiment and try something new. Try a new method of applique, but I would like you to use the same method throughout the whole quilt. This is a really fun installment. It's these blocks. Don't forget your little bits and pieces that she asks you to make within the pattern. They are within your cutting instructions. You have a block here, 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 and then the block at the end. Sew them all together this time. They make one big unit, and it was really fun. But watch your fabrics and watch your placement. So this is Mary Jean coming to you with installment 2 of Brimming Over. I hope you have a great time doing this installment and see you on the 2nd Thursday of next month.